We're taking a look at the Wicked Cushions Freeze Hybrid Fabric Cooling Gel Replacement Earpads, and these are in white, and they fit different earphone models, but this one I'm using right now is for the ATH-M50xBT, and these are in the white color, and I definitely love how thick these cushions are. Put a lot of pressure on them, and just bounce back. You know, sometimes I end up just falling asleep with the headphones on, just rest my head on them. Very comfortable. Keeping my head cool, especially when my room gets hot. But also definitely remember, I think people forget that after you wear your headphones, it's a good idea to wipe them clean with like a damp cloth, and just wipe them off, just to keep them clean, because they do collect dirt and like all the oils from your skin. So I think people just tend to forget. So don't forget to always clean your headphones.